We haven't talked about Indie Semiconductors in quite a while. Last was in November of 2024 when it's sitting at $4.98 a share. But today it's clinging to 52-week lows and actually all-time lows for this company. It's time to take a closer look and see if this gloom and doom for the semiconductor area, specifically the automotive chip sector, is really all that bad. As a refresher, Indie Semiconductor came public in June of 2021 via a SPAC vehicle. This is a pure play automotive semiconductor company. Not a lot of those in the space. We're talking about the inside of the car, so the cabin user experience, electrification of vehicle sensors, and the pursuit of the uncrashable vehicle, as they indicate in their own literature. And for a sector that shows $149 billion in total addressable market, and has a very robust future coming up, seems like it could be an opportune time to take a look at this way oversold pure play automotive semiconductor stock. What else is going on with the company? What other events do we have? We'll take a look at their lineup of customers, and they are dealing with all the preeminent players in the automotive space. So they really have a lock on good contacts and companies they already work with for the original equipment manufacturers in this space. They are working very closely with Global Foundries. Hey, Global Foundries is quite a sizable player themselves in manufacturing of semiconductors. So they're working with them for their high performance radar systems on a chip, and this is also very good. So Indie is designing it, working with Global Foundries to enhance that and then manufacture for them. A recovery is expected later in 2025 for this sector, and then there is robust outlook in the years that follow. So if we can just get through this rough patch a little bit longer, it looks like we can punch through to the other side. So as a reminder, this company has been somewhat acquisitive. They've made a number of acquisitions over in recent years, and I'm starting to get the feel that something else could be on the horizon in 2025, as there is a number of competitors in the space, and there could be a roll-up time coming. Let's take a look at the fundamentals and market particulars and see what we think of that. This company, Indie Semiconductor, has a market cap of $437 million. That's a small cap company, and a price of, again, $2.27 per share. It's at its historic lows and its 52-week lows. So it's been trading between $2.27 and then $7.82. So there's a big disconnect, but in the markets, things often get oversold and then they can get overbought on the other side. I think we're in the one side of the equation at this point. Year-to-date performance down over 40%. 1 year down 63%, and 5 year down 75%. So if you're looking for a fire sale moment, this could be it. Now, I made an acquisition of a number of shares last fall, still sitting on that. But I'm starting to acquire another batch of shares at its all-time lows at this point in time. And with revenue clocking in for 2024 at $216 million, that's not far off from the $223 million in year 2023. And for the first quarter, we're looking at $55 million or so in revenue. So it's really about on pace as 2024. And with a rebound expected during 2025, probably now later half of 2025, with all the interesting economic uncertainty that we have, especially in the United States and globally, could present quite an interesting period of time to become an investor. Balance sheet looks pretty good, actually. Cash position sitting at $274 million as of the end of the year. It does have debt, but this company has revenues, real revenues coming in. Not quite cash flow positive or income positive, but it keeps getting closer and closer to that mark. So this is actually encouraging. And for a product cycle that is reemerging in 2025, now could be the right time at at really low prices to get in. If you're a contrarian investor or have an inkling to be, now could be the interesting time to get in on a semiconductor company like this. Analysts are saying that this is looking like $4.50 to $8 a share. And again, at $2.27, you're looking at, you know, a double or triple for this company, especially with an average price target of $6.60 a share. That's an opportune time to become an investor or to increase your share or to just hold on if you're already an investor. And again, I'm a contrarian investor for certain companies, and this kind of hits my mark, is that now's the time to increase the stake in this really thrown away gem, and looking for big things to come in the year. Let me know what you're doing. Indie Semiconductor, take a closer look, do a little due diligence, see what you think. Now could be the time, and wait for that turnaround. Have a great day.